Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights or a public username. Once confirmed, open Telegram and navigate straight to the chat header. Tap the name to open info, then choose Edit or Manage. This gets you to invite links or username settings. Do this now, because hands-on steps require those controls. Make sure to note whether you want an invite link or a username-based link. Each lives in a different place. Once done, you'll be ready to create or copy the actual link in the next step. Now you create the link. Tap Create Invite Link or set a username to enable me/username. When creating an invite, choose expiration and join limits. This controls access and helps manage security. Name the link so you can track where it was shared. That's important if you'll issue multiple links. Once created, copy the link to clipboard or use the built-in share sheet. Make sure to review active links and revoke old ones, because lingering links often cause accidental access later. With the link copied, share it where you want, message, email, QR code, or add to your profile bio for constant visibility. Once shared, test the link on another device or in a browser to confirm it opens the correct chat and allows joining. If it fails, check the obvious. Are you still an admin? Did the link expire? Is the join limit hit, or did you revoke it? If a username link fails, make sure the username is set and not reserved. Fix that, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.